Welcome to the website building section of the strategy. In this part of the course, we'll show you how to create a professional WordPress website step by step, whether it's for your product, a client's, or the product we provide. This website will be the core of our marketing strategy. It's where our audience will connect with our brand, explore our products, and take action. Having a website is essential because it allows us full control over how our audience engages with our brand. Unlike social media, where algorithms decide what gets seen and distractions are everywhere, our website is entirely in our control. It's a dedicated space to showcase our brand, share our story, and connect with our audience on our own terms. Major companies like Apple, Nike, IKEA, and Sony all prioritize their websites as their primary sales channel to showcase and sell their products. To build our WordPress site and sell our product, we need a web host. It's what makes our site accessible online. A web host stores all our files, pages, and images on servers that are always connected to the internet, allowing people to visit our site anytime, anywhere. We use and recommend Bluehost. It's beginner-friendly, incredibly affordable, and trusted by millions worldwide. Bluehost is WordPress.org's longest-running recommended host and offers the ultimate WordPress platform that powers millions of websites. Thanks to our exclusive student discount, you'll save significantly while getting everything you need. By using our link, we'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting us. Go to the resources of this video and click on the Bluehost discount link inside to access our discounted price. It will automatically be applied. Once there, click Get Started and we'll go through the setup process together. We can see several hosting plans available, but we'll focus on the basic plan. It has everything we need and more to create a professional website with plenty of storage and features, and the option to build multiple sites. So let's choose the basic plan. Now let's pick our domain name. It's the address people will use to find our website. It should clearly represent our product or brand, be easy to remember, and communicate what we're about. We'll use ChatGPT to help generate ideas based on our product. Go to chatgpt.com and log in. If you don't have a login, click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password, and follow the quick setup steps to verify your account. Once you're ready, let's generate domain name ideas. Open ChatGPT and type this text. I'm creating a website for, write in your product here. For us, that will be a smart water bottle. Suggest 10 professional domain names with 3 words. And click Send. Check out the suggestions and choose one you like. If you don't like any of them, simply write, give me 10 more. Once you've decided on a domain name, we'll pick Smart Flow Bottle, return to the Bluehost page and type it into the search bar to see if it's available. If it is, we're all set to move forward. If not, keep trying options from ChatGPT until you find a perfect fit. Next, let's take a quick look at our cart to make sure we've got everything we need and nothing we don't. Here's what we recommend keeping. WordPress basic hosting. This is the foundation for building and hosting our website. Our included domain. This will be the address people use to find our site. Domain privacy plus protection. This keeps our personal contact information private online and reduces spam. It's not required, but we think it's a good idea for extra privacy. And that's it. Everything else we can remove. Let's continue to checkout. We can see our total savings in the cart thanks to the student discount. So make sure to click the link in the resources and it will automatically be applied. Let's complete the sign up by filling in our payment details and then click on Submit Payment. Once we've completed the sign up process, we'll move on to installing WordPress. Simply click on Login to WordPress, go down and choose I'm following a tutorial tutorial, move towards welcome and click on visit site. This is what our website looks like right now. And this is what it will look like in just a few lectures. Before moving on, install WordPress using our link for the best price. See you in the next video.